Let me introduce myself to you all. I'm Shivali Jain. I'm the co-founder of Global Edge. We are education consultants with an experience of more than 11 years. My team has counseled more than 57,000 students till now, and we are helping students in more than 21 countries, okay, for gaining admission and study abroad options. Now, the uniqueness is that we represent all Irish universities, institutes, and colleges. We authorize representatives, and we work directly with them. So I'm talking of the popular courses in Ireland now. So IT is very big because of the demand, because of the job opportunities. Now in IT, data science is at the top of everyone's mind right now. Then is cloud computing, artificial intelligence, computer science programming, machine learning. Also cybersecurity is there. Now fintech is a new program wherein they merge finance with technology. This is used in a lot of financial companies, banking and stuff like that. So if a student is coming from an IT background but wants to get into something more finance oriented, we advise him to go for fintech and stuff like that. So there is a lot of integration between two departments with IT also. Pharma, again, very big because of the large number of biotech companies there, and drugs are the way they are researched and manufactured. Even biotechnology, food technology, all kinds of engineering, business. It's a hub for all the business, multinational companies, finance companies. The four biggest, accounting firms have the headquarters in Ireland. So that's also a very big part. Now, nursing and medical also is highly in demand with Ireland education. There's a huge demand for nursing, medical practitioners, people who want to get into even psychology and stuff like that. So we have a large number of students looking out for those. Please remember, all the courses have to be full-time. You cannot go for part-time or online courses. You will not get the stay-back rights. And the student has to be there for minimum 1 year. Okay, so there are no 6 months programs or 9 months programs really. So the minimum duration of a program is 1 year. Now there are also some higher diplomas. These are there in some colleges and universities, even in institutes of technologies. So this is taken after your graduation, after your degree. And this is normally taken when probably you are doing a conversion program or your scores are less. Suppose a university is asking for a more percentage and you're not eligible, then they put you through a higher diploma. So popular courses are these. Just business analytics is also very popular. Again, it's a combination of analytical tools with business acumen. Even digital media is really picked up now. A lot of digital marketing media is going on. The law, the LLM and the MD is approved by the Indian Bar Councils. So if you are going for an LLB in Ireland, you can come back and work in India after giving the bar exam. And we have a lot of students who studied LLB in India and they go for the LLM program also. There are multiple LLM specializations in Ireland. So they have also all types of engineering, civil, aeronautical, computer, mechanical, electrical. So wide array of courses for both UG and PG. You can call on my landline. It is 48475000. My office is in Green Park. We have an office, and this is the email ID, counseling@globaledge.net.in. If you want to send your documents in there, we can assess them and come back to you. We help in all these things, that is counseling, shortlisting, applications, admissions, LOR, SOP assistance, and visa file preparation. So I hope to get back to you also.